In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase candle size in TradingView. When you open a chart in TradingView, you'll see time labels running along the bottom and price labels running up the right side. These two axes control how your candles look on the screen. If the candles feel too thin or too short to read comfortably, the solution is to zoom in using the axes themselves so the candles get larger without changing your time frame or the underlying data. Let's start with making candles wider. Move your cursor to the time labels at the bottom of the chart, the area that shows dates and times. Click and hold directly on that time axis, then drag to the left. As you drag left, you're zooming in horizontally. You'll see the spacing between candles expand and each candle's body becomes wider and more visible. Go slowly and watch the timeline so you stop when the width feels right for your analysis. Because you're grabbing the axis, not the chart area, the candles stay perfectly aligned with the grid and the time scale. You're simply increasing their visual width for better readability. Now, let's make the candles taller. Move your cursor to the price labels on the right side of the chart. Click and hold on that price axis, then drag upward. This zooms in vertically by stretching the price scale. As you drag up, highs and lows separate more, wicks stand out clearly, and small price movements become easier to spot. It's ideal for studying fine details like wick rejections, tight consolidations, or exact swing highs and lows. Again, you're not altering the data, just the scale, so your analysis remains accurate. What you're doing in both moves is straightforward. You're zooming in to increase candle size while keeping everything correctly aligned to the chart. The horizontal drag on the time labels increases candle width, and the upward drag on the price labels increases candle height. If you need a bit more, repeat the same motions until the candles are as large as you like. Aim for a size where you can comfortably read bodies, wicks, and key levels without eye strain. A quick tip for precision: make sure you're grabbing the axes themselves, not the main chart area. Grabbing the axes ensures you change scale rather than accidentally shifting the chart position. Indicators, drawings, and grid lines will scale right along with the candles, so your entire view remains consistent. That's all there is to it. With a simple horizontal zoom from the time labels and a vertical zoom from the price labels, your TradingView candles will be larger, clearer, and easier to analyze.